Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how to rename or delete the files using the Python OS module. So here you can see that we have import OS and how to rename a file. So os.rename and os.remove will help you to rename or delete a file. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's have a look of that one. So here we have import os, rename a file. So let's take old.txt and rename with this one. So let's create a new file for this, and it will gonna be renamed with new.txt. Deleting will we do later on. So let's save this and let's run, and what the result would be, it should be old name.txt has been renamed to new txt file. So here you can see new name.txt, and this is renamed. Okay, and if I want to make a delete one, so let's uncomment this and let's delete this file. So let's run this, and old name.txt conversion to this one. So remove new name.txt, what it says. Okay, this is for the first one, I guess. Okay, let's comment this one and let's delete this one. What will happen? And it's deleted. Yes, you can see that it's deleted. Okay, so new name.txt file is deleted. So this is how you can, if somewhere you like you have upload the image, and this will help you whenever you upload the image to the server. Then you want to move to the AWS bucket or some third party, and after that you want to unlink or remove it from your local server. That will help you on that case. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.